How to fix screen mirroring or AirPlay not working on iPhone. So if you want to fix your screen mirroring or your AirPlay not working on your iPhone, then there are several steps you can take to get things running again. Start by verifying whether your television is actually compatible with your AirPlay. Many newer smart TVs support it, but not all do. To confirm, you need to check the manual that came with your TV. Open its settings menu to look for an AirPlay option or search the internet using the exact model number of your device. If your TV doesn't support the feature, no amount of troubleshooting will make it work. Another quick solution that often fixes minor glitches is restarting your iPhone. Power the device off completely, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This simple step can refresh the system and clearly fix any temporary issues. It's also crucial that both of your iPhone and your TV are on the same Wi Fi network. AirPlay cannot function if one device is connected to mobile data or another wireless connection. In addition, you need to check whether either devices are using a VPN. Since VPN mask your IP address, they can break the connection between your phone and TV. Disconnect the VPN on both ends, restore proper functionality. If the issue continues, try resetting your iPhone's network settings. To do this, you need to open up your settings and then just simply scroll down a bit and you'll find General. Tap on General, scroll down again, and then go with Transfer Reset iPhone and tap on Reset and reset all of your settings. After resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.